Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 1 for CBSE board. Chapter number 6 Triangles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some terms related to similarity. Okay. Now try to understand. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportional. Okay, so in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and their sides AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 3, AC is equal to 5, and in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4, QR is equal to 6, and PR is equal to 10. Then these two triangles are similar because their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional, means 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 and 5 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence ratio is equal and therefore these two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, then angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, now in this case it is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, so I try to explain you some examples from exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. All circles are similar. Okay, now this you remember this. All circles, because their radii is one different, but they are what in the same shape. Okay, so remember this point. All circles are similar. All squares are similar. Now all squares are similar means if you take two squares of different size, then you know the sides are what equal and all angles are what equal. That means their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are in the proportion, and hence all squares are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. Equilateral triangle means all angles are 60 degree and their sides are equal and therefore all equilateral triangles are similar. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if number 1 A, their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion or what are proportional. Okay, question number 2. Give two different examples of pair of similar figures. Now this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. For example, I take equilateral triangle, so therefore this angle is equal to 60. All angles are equal. All angles are equal. Each is of 60 degree and therefore angle A is equal to angle P, angle Q is equal to angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and this side is 3. So all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So this is also 3, this is also 3. Here I take PQ is equal to 6 and therefore QR and PR is also equal to 6, and therefore angle angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, each of 60 degree, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, and hence these two triangles are similar. Okay, now similarly you take some other figure. Question number 2, non-similar figure. Now this is a square ABCD and this is a rectangle PQRS. Now in this case all angles are what congruent, means what each is of 90 degree, means corresponding angles are equal in this case, but their sides are not in proportion, because this is equal to 2, this is equal to 2, but this is equal to 2, but this is equal to 4. So this is the length of what rectangle, and hence these two figures are non-similar figure. Okay. Question number 3. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Okay. Now here quadrilateral PQRS is given, which is rhombus, all sides are equal, and this is a square given ABCD. So all sides are equal and all angles are equal, each is of 90 degree. Okay, now in this case their sides are in proportion, because 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3 and so on. So sides are in proportion, but their angles are not equal, corresponding angles are not equal, and hence these figures are what? Non-similar. Okay. In this case their corresponding sides are proportional, but their corresponding angles are not equal, and therefore given quadrilaterals are not similar. Okay. So do you understand what is similarity? Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.